Hello family, welcome and thank you for being here today. So in this video we are going to learn how to introduce yourself in Swahili. If you want to go visit Africa, Kenya, Tanzania, one day you have to know at least how to introduce yourself in Swahili. So let's dive in. We are going to do it in 3 steps. Like if you want to introduce yourself in Swahili, you have to first say hi. That will be the first step. The second step, say what's your name and where you come from. Actually, saying where you come from isn't really necessary. If you don't want to say where you come from, that's okay. You can just say your name. And the second step, say your name. And the third step, say nice to meet you. That's it. And we're all going to do this in Swahili. So, the first step is to say hello or hi. I taught 3 different ways and other ways of saying hi in Swahili. There's jambo, there's mambo. Mambo is informal. There is, you can say like, how are you? Habari yako, you can say habari. Let's use you can either say jambo or habari. So let's use habari here. Habari, that means how are you? Like how is the going? How is everything? Habari, that's the first step. Second step, you say your name. Saying your name is Jina langu ni. Okay, so my name is Leah, for those who don't know me. And in English they pronounce it as Leah. In Swahili they say Leah. And Spanish too. I noticed Spanish people say Leah. So so because I'm gonna speak Swahili, I'm gonna say Leah. Okay, so habari, jina langu ni Leah. Jina langu ni dash. Dash is your name. Don't copy me. Don't say a name that's not yours. Okay, so jina langu means my name is. You can as well say naitwa. That means I'm called. So you can go like habari, jina langu ni, and then you say your name. Or habari, naitwa, and then you say your name. Naitwa is I'm called. Jina langu ni, my name is. So the easiest for you, go for that. Okay. So the last step is to say nice to meet you. Nice to meet you in Swahili is nimefurahi kukutana na wewe. And that's all. Okay, so those are 3 steps. First, say hello, what's your name is, and probably where you come from if you want to, and then nice to meet you. And in Swahili is habari, jina langu ni dash. Like me, I'll say jina langu ni Leah. Natoka Kenya. I'm from Kenya. Nice to meet you. Nimefurahi kukutana na wewe. That's easy, right? Habari, jina langu ni dash. You say your name. Natoka Kenya. You say where you come from. Natoka dash. If you're from San Francisco, say natoka San Francisco. Nice to meet you. Nimefurahi kukutana na wewe. Isn't it easy? Okay, so let me say all steps in Swahili. Habari, jina langu ni Leah. Natoka Kenya. Habari, jina langu ni dash, say your name. Natoka dash, say where you come from. And then lastly, nice to meet you is all the same. Nimefurahi kukutana na wewe. Awesome. Did you get that? Habari, jina langu ni Leah. Natoka Kenya. Nimefurahi kukutana na wewe. If you're new here, nice to meet you. Nimefurahi kukutana na wewe. Remember to hit the subscribe button for more videos. I do acoustic guitar also, and I do other videos for fun. And remember to hit the the notification button so that when I upload another video you'll be notified. And let me see you next time. The next video, the next Swahili lesson will be how to say I love you in Swahili. So if you have someone you love, It's gonna be a good chance to tell someone you love, I love you in a different language. Stay tuned. Till next time. See ya.